Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's video, I'm going to show you step by step on how you can create your own viral AI influencer from generating the face to making videos and even setting up income streams. So the first step that you can do is create your AI influencer. You can use tools like Recraft AI, Leonardo AI, Picasso AI for photorealistic faces, or you can also use these tools in here, the Influencer AI. You can just click on create AI influencer and then log in or sign up with a Google account. You can use a prompt like, for example, ultra realistic 25-year-old woman, Instagram model style, stylish streetwear, and natural lighting. You can go with that. And once the character is created, you can animate the influencer by using another tools such as this one, HeyGen. You can use this by uploading your AI image and then add voice and emotions and do the make the character talking and moving naturally. You can also click on get started for free, and again you need to sign up to this AI first to be able to use it. And next step is you can add the AI voice. You can use tools like 11 Labs or this one Play HD or free alternatives. So choose a unique natural sounding voice. In here you can also choose the the languages, and here is the kind of voices that you can choose. You can preview it first by choosing the voice that you want. You can click on play in here and hear the result. And after that, build social media content. So you can use CapCut or VN editor for short or reels formatting. You can add trendy music, captions, and hooks. And for monetization, you can do sponsored brand collabs, affiliate marketing links, paid platforms such as Vanview or Patreon. And also you can do merch and digital products. So you can start with TikTok and Instagram to grow fast, and then you can expand. So that's how you can get a viral AI influencer who can actually earn money. If this tutorial helped, hit like, subscribe for more tutorial. Bye!